Yesterday I added this 4-foot table to the village layout. I needed that extra space because of the way that we have the train track going right now. Even if we change up the train track a little bit and it doesn't go on that table, that space is going to get utilized because, you know, I added just a few more village pieces after my last village layout was completed. Covered the table with my plastic tablecloth, added my last piece of styrofoam base. I need to get more of that styrofoam base. The last time I was in my local Menards, they didn't have any more of that. So hopefully they have some this weekend. If not, I'm gonna have to travel to a different Menards. Then when my husband got home, I helped him. Yes, I helped. Not by just sitting and watching. I was actually in charge of the nail gun. So this is a 2.5 foot by 2.5 foot extra space that we built. That is going to give me a lot of room. Now we just need to build something over here, and then I think he's gonna work on that tonight. And then put the train track together and see if I like that, if I have enough train track for what we're thinking. And then once the train track is done, I can probably start, we'll probably move into that area back there because I gotta figure out what I'm doing for over there. But yeah, so here is what the layout is looking like thus far. I am definitely going to have a lot more space than what I had last layout, and I'm super excited about that. And I'll be able to walk in, and hopefully there will not be any blind areas when I'm doing my videos.